Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.